Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon, just in case you don't know. If you're new here, welcome. Okay guys, so as you can see, I already did my entire face. I didn't highlight yet, but I did do my blush and contour the whole thing, except I still need to highlight, do my lips, and my eyes. So the three colors that Raven chose for me are Throne, Saturn, and Lucid. So this is Throne, this is Saturn, and this is Lucid. So this is going to be interesting, you guys. There's really no transition color. I wonder if it was off out of the rules to use like a contour shade for that. I'm not going to do it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the brush that came in the palette, and I'm going to go into Saturn, which is the terracotta color right here. And I'm just going to tap that all over the lid, and then I will blend it. So that seems to work. If you pack it on the lid and just kind of work your way up, blending, then you have somewhat of a transition going on. Okay, so now for the outer corner, well, the outer V, I'm going to use Throne, which is this one. It's kind of like a duochrome blue and green. It's like, I don't know, it's kind of like a blue, but it's got like a green shimmer to it. I don't know how well it's going to pick up with this brush, but I'm going to wipe off the one end, use the same tightly packed end, and pick up some of that color. It was kind of hard to pick up on the brush earlier, so I'm just really trying to get it in there. As you can see, it's kind of got, I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it kind of has the whole peacock vibe, if you guys can see it. I'm kind of thinking about taking this all over the lid. Yeah, I'm going for it, you guys. Going for it. I'm going to go into Lucid using this brush right here, and I'm going to do my brow bone. Oh, wrong eye. Oh my goodness. And then I will go into another brush, this little tiny one that I like to use for my inner corner, and I'm going to put that into the Lucid and use that on my inner corner. It's got quite the glow to it. I like it, it's pretty. And now for the lash line, I'm just going to go into Saturn with this Eco Tools pencil brush. Okay, and now I'm just going to go in with this Hikari black eyeliner into the waterline. And tight lining, because I will be applying falsies. Okay guys, so I popped off camera to do the other eye, and I also applied some lashes and some mascara to the bottom lashes. And I just wanted to try out this highlighter for the first time with you guys on camera. It's by Wet n Wild and it's called Blossom Glow. I got it in my top box and it looks really pretty. Let me see if I can show you on my finger first. See if I can swatch this here. If you guys can pick, see, it's really pretty. So I want to try this one out with you for the first time on camera. I haven't ever tried this on my face yet, you guys. It looks gorgeous. My hair back. Ooh, I love this. So pretty. Oh my gosh, it's really picking up in the camera too. That is such a pretty highlighter. Okay, so now to finish off the look, I'm just going to use this Tartiest Lip Paint. And I'm not really sure of the name of the color because it's so tiny, tiny, tiny on the bottom. Sorry about that, you guys. But it kind of matches the eyes, so I figured I would use this one. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I think it turned out pretty good. These aren't really colors that I would personally choose, but I think it came together pretty nicely, especially when you pair it with a lip that matches the eyes. And I'm loving this new highlighter. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.